Hey everybody, it's Vicky with Dementia with Grace. How is everybody doing? I hope y'all are doing great. I know I say that at the beginning of every video just about, but I truly hope that everybody out there is doing great. Although I admit that probably there's something going on or you wouldn't be on YouTube looking for answers to this question. The question that we are talking about today is, how do I get help? How do I find help? What help is out there available for me? How do I get my family to help me give me help? How do I get my family to give me help? Okay, that's better. Now, we are going to talk about three things that you need to do today, starting right now after this video, that can help get assistance flowing into your home. One is to acknowledge that you need the help. You need to acknowledge that I cannot do this all on my own. I know that there is help out there. I am going to find help for myself. You can sit there in the mully grubs, as we call it in Alabama, in the mully grubs, in the mud puddle, sitting there thinking about, oh, woe is me, and nobody's helping, and nobody wants to help, and all of that. But you first have to look at yourself and say, have I acknowledged that I needed help? Have I asked for help? So we're going to talk about three things today. Acknowledgement, acknowledging that you need the help, advertising that you need some help, and accepting the help that is offered. Okay, so three things. The first is acknowledge. Acknowledge that this is a hard journey and that you can't do it on your own. A dementia caregiver's journey is a long, hard, lonely road. It can be. But you can also use your personality to say, you know what, I might be a person who doesn't normally ask for help, but I'm going to have to help now. I can't do this on my own. It's too much. And so I'm going to have to acknowledge that I need the help. When you acknowledge that you need the help, the next thing you do is you need to advertise that you need the help. You need to ask for help. You need to say, I can't do this 24/7. I need a break. I talk about the 1-1-1, an hour a day a month, and a week a year. That's what I talk about, the three things that you need to try to get away from caregiving and go to, a vacation or something. And people say, I can't do an hour a day. You can do an hour a day. You absolutely can do an hour a day. It might be hard and you might have to be creative with how you get that time, but you can get an hour a day, even if you have to. Number two, the second thing, advertise for help and say, I need some help. I need somebody to help with Mama's paying Mama's bills, or I need help getting Mama to her doctor's appointments, or I need help getting her to her hair appointments, or I need somebody to pay for somebody to come in here and do her hair, something like that. If you're talking to fellow family members who are not maybe pulling their load, you need to ask for that. You also can advertise in a way and say, hey, does anybody know any help available for people that are taking care of their people in their own home? Yes, there are, and I will tell you. Go ahead and advertise it and ask me. I'll tell you. The National Association of Agencies on Aging is a tremendous resource. All you do is get in Google and you look up, I don't know, Norfolk, Virginia, and you say Virginia Department of Aging or the area aging on agency for Columbus, Mississippi, or whatever. You put that into Google and it will come up. The N4A, like the letter N, the number 4, the letter A.org is the, let's see me do a cursive, is the way that you would look it up. If you just want to look up the National Association, and then they would lead you to your local. There's over 600 areas of aging in our country, in the United States. And so you'll find someone for your region. Just put that up. And then the third thing is to accept the help once it's offered. This is a biggie, because you're taking care of your person with dementia and you think that you know everything that's the right thing, that you're doing the right thing, and you know what's best. And you don't accept sometimes the help that is offered because you think, well, they really don't want to help. They're just saying that. Or I can do it better. I just can't, I just can't relinquish trust to anybody else. I know what mama needs. I'm the only one that knows what mama needs. Well, in that way, you can't then argue that you never got any help. So in a nutshell, you need to know what you need to advertise what you need, and you need to accept what you need. Those three things. Acknowledge what you need, okay? Acknowledge what you need, advertise what you need, and accept what you need. And it's as easy and as simple as that. It's very hard. It's very hard to accept help sometimes. And you don't want to upset the apple cart, but you need to understand that your mother also, or your father, your wife, husband, uncle, brother, they need to see somebody other than you. It would be helpful, probably for them to see somebody other than you. So these are some ways that you can ask for and receive help. And I hope that this video has answered some questions. Another way that you can get help is to come on over to the support group over on Facebook. It is called Dementia with Grace. Everything is Dementia with Grace. Dementia with Grace Caregiver Support Group. That's what you would put in the search box of Facebook, or you can look right down here and there are some links to the page and to my book, and just lots of ways to find the help that you need. I hope this has been helpful. All right. I love y'all. I will see y'all soon, and I hope that you're taking very good care of yourself, okay? All right. Love you. Bye.